Good morning everyone. Now we discuss strategies for enhancement of food production. Read the following four statements. Animal husbandry is the agriculture practice of breeding and raising livestock. So correct. Animal husbandry deal with the care and breeding of livestock like buffaloes, cow, etc. So correct. It is estimated that more than 70% of the world livestock population is in India and China. That is also correct. The productivity per unit is very low in India and China. So all four statements are correct. Breeding and raising of livestock, deal with the care and breeding of livestock. So 70%, you already know, 70% livestock in India and China, and productivity is 25% only. So four statements correct. So match the following, column 1 and column 2. Dairy. So that is Jersey. 1C, poultry. Leghorn. 2F, poultry. 3, beekeeping. Apis indica, fisheries. So fishes, mollusca, crustacea, rearing of fishes. Pisciculture, true fishes. So option 3. So first one spelling mistakes, apiaries, that is. So third option. Some breeds of cattle are given below in the list. So Gir, that is native. Jersey, Ayrshire, Brown Swiss, Sahiwal, Holstein Friesian. Only one. These 5. So 5 are exotic varieties. Gir, Red Dane, Red Sindhi are the native cattle. That's why among these 5 are exotic, means non-native or foreign. Mating of more closely related individuals within the same breed. Mating of more closely related individuals within the same breed for 4 to 6 generations. 4 to 6 generations is known as inbreeding. What is crossbreeding? So the cross between different breeds. What is outcrossing? The cross between individuals of the same breed but no common ancestor for 4 to 6 generation, that is outcrossing. Interspecific hybridization, the cross between different species, interspecific hybridization. So answer is inbreeding. Which type of breeding allow the desirable qualities of two different breeds to be combined? Desirable qualities of two breeds, that is crossbreeding. Desirable qualities of two breeds to be combined, crossbreed. You already know Merino Ram and Buccaneer Ewe. When Merino Ram crossed with Buccaneer Ewe, we obtained Hezerdale, the crossbreed Hezerdale. In multiple ovulation embryo transfer, the cattle is given or administered to FSH, follicular stimulating hormone. Inbreeding, same breed, male and female, no common ancestor. So that is the outcrossing. 2A. 1, inbreeding, closely related individuals. Crossbreeding, superior male and superior female for different breeds. So option is third one. Which type of breeding is used to remove the problem of inbreeding depression in animals? So that is the outcrossing. So what is outcrossing? The cross between individuals of the same breed, at the same time they have no common ancestor for 4 to 6 generation. So due to inbreeding, some animals exhibit inbreeding depression. At the time, the farmer should cross that female with unrelated male of the same breed. So the progeny overcome the inbreeding depression. So answer is outcrossing. Hinni is product of interspecific hybridization. Interspecific hybridization. Stallion, male horse. Jennet, female donkey. At the time, Hinni is obtained. If you cross a jock, male ass, with mare, female horse, resultant individuals are known as mule. Both mule and Hinni are sterile, but they exhibit hybrid vigor. So what is hybrid vigor? The offspring possess superior character of the parent. Here the mules and Hinnis. Mule is superior to Hinni. Hinni is superior to its parent. They carry better loads, consume less food when compared to the parent. So our soldiers use mule and Hinni to carry their loads at the border. So whenever we want mule or Hinni, we should cross different species. Donkey belong to species Equus homoeneus, mare Equus caballus, horse scientific name Equus caballus, donkey scientific name Equus homoeneus. These are two different species of the same genus and at the same time several similarities. So if you cross organism belong to different species, sterile animals are obtained. Both mule and Hinnis are sterile. So next question is, which of the following technology is used for induced breeding in fishes? Hypophysation technique. In fish ponds, they collect each and every fish and give pituitary injection. At the time, they breed throughout the year. In nature, the fish breed only in one season. So to provide balanced diet by hypophysis technique, so the fish brood throughout the year and provide sufficient number of fishes for the increasing human population. In this manner, human beings exploit each and every organism. As green revolution is related with agriculture practice, similarly blue revolution is related to aquatic organisms, here fishes. White revolution related to milk production, blue revolution aquatic organisms, so fishes. Read 4 statements carefully. Fishery is rearing, catching and management of fishes, correct. Culture fishery is the raising of fishes in tanks and ponds, okay, correct. Culture fisheries, okay. Common carp is in Indian variety. Common carp is Indian variety. Common carp is not a Indian variety, wrong. India is the largest seafood producing country all over the world. How many statements are true? So 3 statements are true. Common carp is the exotic variety of China, common carp, grass carp, Chinese carp. Following methodology has been used for cattle, sheep, buffalo. So Moit. So 1. See, cow is administered with follicular stimulating hormone. Okay. So due to injection of FSH, what happens? Super ovulation. So instead 1 secondary oocyte, 6 to 8 secondary oocytes are formed. 2 is super ovulation. 3rd is, so what happened? 6 to 8 cycles later artificial insemination or cross with elite male. As a result, 6 to 8 zygotes are formed. Later, the zygotes undergo cleavage. At 8 to 32 cell stage, they collect from the female cattle by non-surgical method. So later, that cattle is go second round of ovulation, superovulation, and the embryos are inserted into surrogate mother. For example, 8 embryos are obtained. At the time, they select 8 surrogate mother or foster mother. What is surrogate mother or foster mother? The female provide uterus for the development of embryo of other female is known as surrogate mother. So answer is first one. First one is correct. Which of the following disease is our poultry diseases? Aspergillosis, also known as Broders pneumonia, coryza. These are the poultry diseases. A and B are the poultry diseases. Which pairing is correct? Sericulture, fish. Rearing of silkworm moth. Pisciculture, birds, wrong. Apiculture, honeybee. Lean meat is considered to be of high quality since it has lesser lipid content. Lesser lipid content. Which of the food fish is not marine? Sirhinus mrigala is a freshwater. Mackerel, hilsa, sardine are marine fishes. You already know sardine oil contain omega-3 fatty acid, and this omega-3 fatty acids reduce the cholesterol level in the blood. Hilsa, salmon and hilsa exhibit anadromous migration ascending from marine water to fresh water. Identify the edible freshwater telos fishes. Modern fish, edible means bony fish. Katla, hilsa elisha, ray and skates, sharks, katla, a major carp, commonly known as katla. Murra is the productive breed of buffalo, high yielding buffalo. Draught breeds are good milk producing cow, wrong. Hard working bullocks. You already know milk breed. Another draught breed. Third one is dual purpose breed. These are 3 types of breeds in India. Milk breed. In each breed both male and female. The female milk breed is the high yielding milk variety. So male is inferior for farming. Draught breed. In draught breed female is low yielding variety, but male is superior, and the farmers prefer the male of draught for farming and transport their products to market. So that means hard working bullocks are draught. What about dual purpose? So average, female is average milk yielding and male is average for transport and farming work. So superior, arrange the following in ascending order regarding superior male. First one is milk male, next one dual purpose male, third one is a draught male. So that is the superior in ascending order. Silk is product of which part of silk moth? Salivary glands of larva. Salivary glands of caterpillar larva secrete the silk thread around itself, that is cocoon. 1200 so 1200 yards length. Bee venom is used to cure arthritis, joint pains. Choose incorrect statement. Ascaris intestinal parasite, correct. Small intestine. Plasmodium sexual reproduction in primary host, correct. In female Anopheles mosquito. Entamoeba histolytica feed on RBC in mucosa and submucosa, particularly that is the trophozoid, correct. Wuchereria histozoic parasite lives in the tissues of lymph glands and lymph vessels and mentioned monogenetic parasite, wrong. If the parasite complete its life cycle in two hosts belong to two different genera, human being Homo, that is one genus, female Culex another genus. So Wuchereria is a digenetic parasite. Plasmodium also digenetic. So Wuchereria is a histozoic. Mentioned monogenic, wrong, digenetic. That's why incorrect statement is 4. So by mistake they have given in human health and diseases question in this chapter. So answer is incorrect statement is 4th. In animal husbandry, controlled breeding experiments are carried out by artificial insemination, correct. Controlled breeding experimentation and controlled breeding experiment, intracytoplasm ovum injection, random mating. So both 1 and 3. You all know in animal husbandry, controlled breeding experiments are carried out by artificial insemination. And second one is multiple ovulation embryo transfer. So that's why first one. Which of the following fishes collectively known as major carbs? Cutla, labio, serhinus are the major carbs. So fast growing. That's why most of the farmers rear Cutla, labio, serhinus. Continued inbreeding, especially close inbreeding, causes inbreeding depression. It can be overcome by mating of superior male of one breed with the superior female of another breed, only, wrong. Mating of animal within the same breed but having no common ancestor on either side of their pedigree up to 4 to 6 generation, that is outcrossing, that is correct. Third one, mating of animals belong to other species, only, wrong. Continued inbreeding, wrong. So answer is the second one. In multiple ovulation embryo transfer due to administration of hormone having follicular stimulating hormone like activity, a cow per cycle produce 6 to 8. So it is known as super ovulation. Mark the incorrect statement with respect to inbreeding depression. It reduces fertility and even productivity. It reduces fertility and even productivity. It can be overcome by interspecific breeding only, wrong. It reduces fertility and even productivity, correct. It is due to continued inbreeding, especially close breeding. So it is also correct. What is close breeding? Male, female. In one generation, male. In another generation, female. Cross between female parent with male progeny or cross between male parent with female progeny is known as close breeding. So parents and progeny are very close. No other animals are close when compared to parents and offspring. It is known as close breeding. So when they perform close breeding, if the parents are outstanding, so the animal breeders use close breeding in case of high yielding varieties only. Close breeding. Line breeding known as cousin mating. Line breeding, half brother half sister mating, that is known as line breeding. Close breeding, line breeding are two methods in inbreeding. Another method of inbreeding, so these are the two inbreeding. One is line breeding, first one is close breeding, second line breeding. When the animal breeder opt this method, both the parents are outstanding, contain desirable characters of human being. At the time only they cross. It is due to continued inbreeding, especially close inbreeding, correct. Whenever it becomes a problem, selected animals of the breed population should be mated with unrelated superior animal of the same breed to restore fertility and yield. So correct. So here incorrect statement is it can be overcome by interspecific breeding only, wrong. So second statement. Which of the following explain outcrossing? Male and female animals of two different related species are mated, wrong. Superior males of one breed are mated with superior females, wrong. Individuals of same breed but have no common ancestor on either side of their pedigree up to 4 to 6 generations, known as outcrossing. Fourth, male and female of same breed are mated closely related within 4 to 6, wrong. Multiple ovulation embryo transfer is one program for hard improvement. Which of the following are considered as benefits of MOIT? Administration of FSH like hormone induce follicular maturation and super ovulation, correct. After the embryo transfer to surrogate mother, the genetic mother is available for another round of super ovulation, correct. Helps in producing high milk yielding breeds of female and high quality meat yielding bulls have been bred successfully to increase herd size in a short time. All the statements are correct. All are advantages of MOIT. So answer is all of these. Now next question is, milk yield of cattle is primarily depend on quality of breed. So mainly depends upon quality of breed. Founder chairman of National Egg Coordinating Committee, B.V. Rao. B.V. Rao is the father of modern poultry farming. So Dr. Kurian, you all know, father of dairy farming and founder chairman of Amul Anand Milk Union Limited, and he is the founder chairman of National Dairy Development Board, NDDB. National Dairy Development Board. Swaminathan, so famous for Green Revolution. Dr. Salim Ali, known as Birdman of India. So B.V. Rao, founder chairman of National Egg Coordinating Committee. A role of National Egg Coordinating Committee provide marketing facilities for the poultry farmers. The largest milk producing state in India, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the largest milk producing, second Haryana, third Punjab. In India, 50%, 54% buffalo milk and the remaining cow milk. Regarding egg production, AP occupy the first position, Andhra Pradesh occupy the first position in poultry farming. Christian missionaries introduced scientific poultry farming at Etawah, UP in 1912. By 1950, the poultry farming spread all over India. Per capita consumption of egg in India 20. Per capita consumption of egg in India 20. UK 250. Denmark Per capita consumption 400 per year. The causative organism of bird flu H5N1. So it is a pandemic disease. What about H1N1? H1N1 causes swine flu. H5N1 bird flu. In worker honeybees, bee wax is produced from second to fifth abdominal glands. In worker honeybees, pollen brushes are present on tarsus of all legs. In worker bees, pollen baskets present on tibia of metathoracic leg. Tibia of metathoracic leg. Worker bees are 4 types: nurse workers, house workers, field workers, scout workers. Nurse workers, they provide royal jelly to queen, provide bee bread to the drones. House workers, they construct the beehive. If beehive is already constructed, at the time, if any cracks appear in the beehive due to wind current, they prepare propolis. Propolis is a bee glue prepared from the pollen grains. With the help of propolis, they seal the cracks. Propolis is a bee glue, adhesive substance secreted by the bees from the pollen grains. So, by using propolis, they seal the cracks appear on the beehive. Field workers, the workers go for searching of pollen grains. Field workers. So, in field workers and scout workers, in the crop of field workers and scout workers, nectar mixes with enzyme converted into honey. By regurgitation, by being break, the honey enter into buccal cavity or oral cavity. From the oral cavity, they release the honey into storage chambers present in the beehive. What about scout workers? The workers perform dances, waggling dances and round dances. Why scout workers perform waggling dances and round dances? So they perform round dances and waggling dances to communicate other bees regarding the source of pollen grains. So the meaning of dances of scout workers decoded by the German scientist Karl von Frisch. He was awarded Nobel Prize. You already know queen lifespan is 5 years, worker lifespan 2 to 3 months, drone lifespan is a few days. Every day queen lays 2000 eggs. Most of the eggs are fertilized, few eggs are unfertilized. Fertilized eggs develop into female, unfertilized develop into males. Odd man out, cutla, sardine, labio, mrigala. So sardine is a marine fish and the remaining 3 are freshwater, and they are known as major carp, fast growing freshwater fishes. Vavafrim is a acetylcholine inhibitor, epinephrine inhibitor, norepinephrine inhibitor, dopamine inhibitor. Vavafrim is a synthetic analog of gonadotropin releasing hormone. It inhibits the release of dopamine. Next question is, Vavafrim is a acetylcholine inhibitor, epinephrine inhibitor, norepinephrine inhibitor, dopamine inhibitor. Ovafram is a dopamine inhibitor. Dopamine is one type of neurotransmitter. If dopamine is not released, so non-release of dopamine stimulates the reproductive organs. So that's why the fishes brood throughout the year. The brood throughout the year means cartilaginous fishes give birth to young ones throughout the year. Bony fishes so lay eggs throughout the fertilized eggs throughout the year. So ovafram is a dopamine inhibitor. The fish byproduct reduce cholesterol, help prevent cancer cell growth is so omega-3 fatty acid. Shark liver oil contain rich source of vitamin A. Cod liver oil rich source of vitamin D. Isinglass is a fluid present in the air bladder of catfishes. Isinglass is used to purification of wine. Shark green is substance obtained from dried swim bladder wrong. Fertilizer prepared from scarf fishes, that is known as fish guano. Dried skin of shark is known as shark green. It is used in polishing industries like sandpaper. First they smoothen the wooden furniture with shark green. Later they apply the polish. Method of sex determination in honeybee is haplodiploidy method. If haploid number of chromosomes are present, male, that is drone. If diploid number of chromosomes are present, that is female. Even though fertilized egg contain diploid number, so fertilized eggs contain 32 chromosomes. At the time, the type of food consumption decide the sex of the progeny. If the fertilized zygote feed on royal jelly, develop into queen. If the workers provide bee bread to the developing young one, such developing young ones develop into workers only. Haplodiploidy method, chromosomal theory. So according to chromosomal theory, in most of the animal, 2 allosomes only determine the sex. Chromosomal theory proposed by Correns. Male heterogametic theory, female heterogametic theory. Genic balance theory, sex determination in Drosophila, genic balance theory. Kelvin Bridges explain genic balance theory. Hormonal inference in case of in case of hen. In hen, once the ovaries are non-functional, such hen converted into cock. Hormonal influence. In healthy female hen, ovary produce male suppressing hormone. In old age, the ovaries are non-functional, or if the hen met with an accident or ovaries are damaged, they fail to release male suppressing hormone. At the time, such hen converted into cock. Hormonal influence on sex determination. So here method is haplodiploidy method.